So let's make asparagus in a pan. First, we're going to need a pan, of course, and then some asparagus, some olive oil, some pepper over here. We have a little bit of salt, and last but not least, a bit of water. Now, first, we're going to break the asparagus in half. Now, of course, you can cut them if you want to, but we usually just break the asparagus like this. Make sure you actually let it break naturally. Don't force it, because the bottom part is actually a bit woody, so the top part is the part that's actually the best to eat. But again, that's completely up to you. However you want to do it, you can also cut it. After that, put some oil into your pan. Now, not too much, because we do not want it to be too oily. And then basically just turn on your hob. Make sure it's not on max because it's olive oil, and then spread these on evenly into your pan. And then after the asparagus is spread on evenly, we're going to season it. So first, we're going to use our black pepper over here. And after that, we're also going to put on some salt. Now, of course, it depends on how salty you actually want these to be. If you want them to be a bit more salty, you can put on a bit more. We kind of put on just enough over here. Lastly, we're going to pour in a little bit of water over here, and then we can start cooking the asparagus. Now, make sure you actually cover it with a lid as well. And now cook this 2 to 3 minutes, turn them around, and then cook them 2 to 3 minutes again. Now, it depends on how thick they are, how long you cook them, and if they're ready, you can check with a fork like this. If they fall off automatically, it means they're good. Now, of course, then turn off the hob, leave them on there for a few more seconds, and they're good to go. So, I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.